If you're looking to replace your GM vehicle's radio antenna extension cable, the ACDelco GM original equipment option is worth considering. This coaxial cable connects your radio antenna to your entertainment system, ensuring clear signal transmission without interference. It's a GM recommended replacement, designed to match your vehicle's original factory part perfectly. What sets this cable apart is its shielding against outside electrical interference. That means fewer disruptions and better radio reception while you drive. Since it's made to GM's exact specifications, you get the same fit, form, and function as the original component, so installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Durability matters when it comes to replacement parts, and this cable delivers. Manufactured with quality materials, it offers the reliability and service life you expect from General Motors. Whether you're replacing a damaged cable or upgrading during a radio swap, this extension cable fits seamlessly and performs consistently. Users across the United States have praised this product for its flawless fit and dependable performance. One customer noted it was a perfect factory replacement after their cable was damaged during a radio upgrade. Another mentioned how it just works, no fuss, no muss, especially when paired with newer GM radios. The price point also compares favorably to dealer options, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers. If you want a replacement cable that stays true to GM's high standards, this antenna extension cable is a solid pick. It maintains the integrity of your vehicle's entertainment system while delivering clear, uninterrupted radio signals. Worth a look if you need a reliable, factory-quality cable without paying dealer prices. Ready to restore your radio's performance? This GM original equipment cable fits like a glove and shields your signal from interference, so your music and broadcasts come through crisp and clear. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your vehicle's antenna connection with confidence.